Hello everyone, today I will show you how to try out new Google features. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to have the Google app downloaded onto your phone. And let's say this is Google and you want to try out new features if they have any. What you want to do is you want to click on like the icon at the top left, and it will show you what are some of the newest features that you can try out. So let's say you want to try out the new AI mode. You want to click on turn on, and then you click on try. It will let you try the new AI feature. And there are multiple other features that you can also try out before they are being released. But this is how they will be able to gather feedback if there are any errors or bugs with the new feature. And that is how you will be able to test out the newest feature on Google.